I'm Galina Nikolskaya, a double board-certified neurologist. At the upcoming webinar, I'll be leading a brain-boosting session designed specifically for high mental demands of professionals. As you all know, work is highly demanding, and it pushes the brain into sustained states of high alert, hypervigilance, and cognitive overload. And over time, that can really drain your prefrontal cortex, increase reactivity, and lead to mental fatigue, decision slump, and even changes in your memory and emotional regulation. So in this brain boosting session, I'm going to show you how to help regulate your nervous system during stress using science-backed tools that are simple, practical, and most importantly, immediately applicable. We'll cover how to shift out of sympathetic overdrive and why certain breathing patterns rapidly restore attention, working memory, and emotional steadiness. This is going to be not just theory, but also engaging, fun, and experiential, as I'll guide you through a reset protocol that you can use anytime you need your brain back online quickly. So, if you are ready to recharge, recalibrate, and walk away with tools that you can use that same day, then join me, giving your brain a powerful reset and help you experience increased focus and optimal performance.